I'm at 62 Radiance Lane in Rancho Santa Margarita. This is in the Las Flores community. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, approximately 2,000 square feet. Private location. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. It also has a 65,000 state-of-the-art Pebble Tech pool, spa, and fire pit. Let's take a look. As you enter the front door, there's a brick entryway, wood flooring, carpeting in the formal living room, and that's a formal dining room, which we have a pool table here now, but that is formal dining room there. Half a bath here. And wood flooring. Into the kitchen. Maple cabinets. Recessed lighting. View from the kitchen. Family room. Built-in bookcase. Fireplace. Plantation shutters throughout the home. Take a peek out in the backyard. Here in the backyard is a built-in spa and pool. It's a Pebble Tech pool. Spent $65,000 for the pool. Hardscape around the outside. Lovely pool. It also has a built-in fire pit. A seating area there. Very quiet and private location. A corner lot. And to the right side of the home has a dog run. Okay, let's go ahead and take a peek upstairs. As you can see, there's cathedral ceilings and recessed lighting here overlooking the formal dining room area. And again, there's a pool table, but this is formal dining here and living room. Come up the stairs. To the right is the master bedroom. And then the master bath. Separate shower and tub. Walk-in closet. Dual vanities. Coming from the master bedroom, overlooking the formal dining room and living room area. And then above is the 4th bedroom, which is now being used as an office. It does have a closet. Bathroom. Dual sinks. Very nice and clean, full-size bath. We have one bedroom here. Small walk-in closet there. Second bedroom here. Ceiling fans in all of the rooms. And it has a balcony that goes out to the front. From the master, we have a hallway. And looks down on the dining room and living room. And here, the 4th bedroom, it does have a closet that's being used as an office right now, so we can take a look at that. As you walk down the hallway, bathroom here on the left, dual sinks, Very clean. Full bath. Guest bedroom here. And it has patio, balcony to walk out. The guest bedroom, the balcony that goes to the front. Brings in the light. Very quiet location. There's balcony here. Coming from the guest bedrooms, we have the laundry upstairs, full-size laundry with shelving. And then down the hall, again, linens. And we have the fourth bedroom, which is now being used as an office. And has a closet. So the fourth bedroom. And that completes our view of 62 Radiance Lane.